Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how I achieved this look today. I used the Morphe 39A Artistry palette. I decided to do a green look today. Why the fuck I did that, I have no fucking idea. But I hope you guys overall like this look. I'm trying to do different looks like I said in my last video because I don't want y'all to get bored. And girl, let me tell you, Halloween is coming. Them Halloween tutorials are about to come up, so stay on the lookout for that. Also, make sure to hit that notification bell. That way you get notified every time I do upload a poppin' ass motherfucking video like this one, bitch. Cause girl, I'm feeling myself. Yes,
like I'm just living.
So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Until next time, we'll see you later. Bye. Put some crunk ass music on though real quick because your girl was coming through earlier.
Welcome back to my channel. We're going to go ahead and start off by priming our eyelids. I like to use the Tarte Shape Tape as my eyeshadow primer. If you guys have any Holy Grail eyeshadow primers, let your girl know. I'm going to go ahead and bust out the 39 Artistry palette. This is a Morphe palette, bitch. It has been coming through. And I'm just going to go ahead and grab those two brown shades, kind of mix them up together or whatever. And I'm going to dust that all over my crease. This is just going to give me a really good transition shade because we are going to be using a pop of color, bitch. Shade, I'm going to be taking the color Mugshot. This is from the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe Bought collection, and I'm taking a Morphe brush. I'm not for 100% sure what the name of the brush is, but I'll leave it in the description box down below. I just really like this brush because it really helps me get really all up in my crease, just really add some dimension. It doesn't apply color where I don't want it. I just really enjoy using this brush. Taking this kind of army green matte shade, and I'm basically going to focus this on the outer V, just kind of in the outer V area. Just kind of tap that shit on there, and then you're slowly going to bring the product forward. You don't really want any of the product to be on the inner portion of your eye. You really want to focus that green on the outer. You do go back in blending between the first two shades that we use. Y'all know there's never enough blending. Here's another little area where I show you how to apply that. I'm telling you, I just tap that shit on the outer corner of my eye and just slowly kind of bring it forward. Watch this clip, you know, over and over again until you get the idea, you know, or whatever. Girl, I pretty much just keep on packing on that same green color. Just kind of, you know, smoke it out as much as you want to. I really wanted this to be a really standout, bold ass look, so you know I did go a little bit darker than normal, you know, because I'm extra or whatever. But this is going to be my favorite part. This is going to be where I show you how to do a cut crease, bitch. So I take a flat little synthetic brush and I put a little bit of the concealer on the inner part of my eye and then look up, bitch. When you look up, the bottom of your lid is basically going to touch the top of your lid, and basically that's going to create your own fucking crease. Like, this is the easiest tip that I can give anybody when they're trying to do cut creases. I sucked ass, to be honest, when I first started to cut creases, but you really just gotta practice and just do whatever works better for you. I feel like applying it close to my lash line and then looking up is something that I feel has helped me, and I think it just makes it a lot easier on doing a cut crease or whatever. If y'all have any tips which y'all would recommend for other people when they do cut creases, or you know, just drop them in the comment section down below. But I really like doing that because I feel like it's really helped me a lot. And then I do go back in with the same green, army green looking color, and just blending that where we applied the concealer, so you have a nice transition and a nice kind of fade in between the two colors that we're gonna apply. Next, I'm taking this shimmery green color, and I honestly like to dab and drag the color down, because if you just kind of blend it on there, it's gonna look patchier and whatnot, and you really want your shimmers to stand out. You just really want to keep on blending until you're super happy with the look, because y'all know when we do a lot of color and shit, y'all end up blending for like days and whatnot. So I go back and forth, put a little bit of the green, put some of the brown, you know, just go in between them too. Next, I'm going to go ahead and bust out a makeup wipe, and I'm basically going to clean up the fallout. If y'all ever wondered why I do my eyes first, is because your girl is messy and I do have a lot of fallout at the end when I finish my shadows, so why waste foundation? foundation. You heard me? I'm also going to be applying a little bit of glitter on the cut crease portion of this eye. This is a NYX glitter. I really enjoyed using it. If y'all have any other glitters that y'all would like for me to try out, let your girl know. Before we apply foundation, you always want to make sure to moisturize your face because this is going to ensure that your foundation just kind of goes on a lot nicer. I do use a moisturizer that's by a company called Elastin. I get that at my job or whatever. And then I'm going to use the Maybelline Superstay foundation. I actually have been really enjoying this foundation. I like the coverage that it gives me. I like the finish. It's not really matte, but you know, it comes through for your girl. So that's the one that I've been using. Pop concealer, because y'all know this has been my favorite concealers. I love this one underneath my eyes because it doesn't make me super dry or, you know, super creasy or whatever. It comes through. Set my under eye with the RCMA No Color Translucent Powder. I have really enjoyed using this powder. If you guys haven't tried it, I definitely recommend for you to give it a try. I know you guys have seen me do this a shit ton of times, but I'm going to take the ColourPop No Filter Concealer in a darker shade, and I'm basically going to use this to give me a really bronzy, glowy as fuck type of look. I love to use cream bronzers because I feel like it really, you know, just makes your skin look nice and snatched or whatever. Do make sure to blend out all the edges because you do not want it to look patchy or like super dark in one area. So I do go back in with my beauty sponge. I'm going to make sure to set that as well. I'm using the Hoola Bronzer by Benefit. This is a holy grail for me also. I go ahead and make my face look hella fucking snatched with the same powder, and I really like this Morphe sponge because it has a flat surface on one side, so it's really easy to kind of snatch your shit up. Like I said before, I don't like to leave the powder on my skin for such a long time because I am a little bit dry on my cheeks. So I'm going to go ahead and just quickly dust all that shit off. Then I go back in with a little bit of bronzer to kind of fade and diffuse the harsh lines. You don't want any harsh lines because that shit ain't cute, girl. Then I'm going to go ahead and set my face with the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. And I'm going to go ahead and apply a little bit of the highlight. This is the Amrezy and Anastasia, bitch. This is one of my absolute favorite highlights. If it's still available, I definitely recommend for you to try that out. Just dabbing on a little bit of blush because I don't like to be extra blushy or whatever. I'm going to apply a little bit of nude liner on my waterline. This is just going to make my eyes look a lot more bigger. In the color Mugshot with the little dense brush, kind of running that all on my lower lash line. Then I'm going to be taking a smaller brush. This is a Wet n Wild, really small, precise brush as fuck. I'm going to be taking the Army Green color and just kind of dabbing that mainly on the outer area of my eye. I don't really bring it forward unless I'm blending it with the first color Mugshot. Then I go back in, add a little bit more Mugshot so it doesn't look super green. Then I'm going to be taking the Anastasia highlight. This is the Amrezy, and I'm taking a little lip brush and I'm putting that on the inner corner of my eye. This is just gonna give me that, yes bitch, I'm here and I am living my best life. Do yourself a favor and apply a little bit of mascara to your lower lashes. This is overall gonna set it off for the night. Go ahead and apply whatever lip color you like, but I'm gonna be taking a Rimbled lip liner. I'll leave the name of this lip liner in the description box. Top on a little bit of gloss because we browning in this bitch. Make sure to set your face. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. We'll see you guys later. Bye.
A little bit of this, a little bit of that, get cracking and flow. Decided to go with the Papa Color bitch and come through with the greens, because you know we all like that green, you know. And just a quick little disclaimer, if you don't appreciate me cussing through my video, then don't fucking watch it. Let me just say that. If you don't like me, don't fucking watch it. But if you do like me, then keep watching, bitch. And the only reason why I'm saying that is because I don't want to offend anybody with the way that I talk. But you know what? I'm not going to change who I am or the way that I talk to please other people. Because you know what? I need to please myself. And if I don't have a problem with the way that I talk, then bye, bitch. Bye, Felicia. See you next week, ho.